How to install a Marty Tune on your Ford Crown Victoria. Here we go. Grab your SCT handheld tuner provided by Mo's Speed Shop, and with your car turned off, plug it in to your OBD2 port. With your car still in the off position, go ahead and click on the Program Vehicle tab. It's going to give you some legal mumbo jumbo. Just go ahead and click Continue. The next step is to put your vehicle in the on position. Don't start the car, just put it to the point where your dash cluster is activated. Once your car is in the on position, go ahead and click Continue. It's going to process the data. This might take a couple seconds. After that, it's going to give you the option to select your preferred tune. In this case, we're going to go with Mr. Random's 93 octane race tune. You're going to go ahead and click Approve. And then we're going to hit Continue. All right, now you're going to turn your key off. Now we're going to turn the key back on. It's going to set up the processor, and now your actual tune will begin to download. And then at which point it's going to ask you to turn the key back in the off position. Once again, it's going to ask you to put it back in the on position. It's going to do a little bit more beep, boop, beep, bop, beep, and your download is complete. We're going to turn the key off one more time. Then we're going to hit Done. The only thing left to do at that point is turn your car fully on. Now that we successfully installed our Marty Tune, the only thing left to do is to put the Cobra Roush Crown Vic to the ultimate test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh!